Hello everyone, Kaizer Chiefs family, welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Kaizer Chiefs management for deciding to keep coach Nazruddin Nabi. I think we've all seen that under Nazruddin Nabi, Kaizer Chiefs has been playing a very good attacking football. Yes, we may agree that they've been missing clear-cut chances, but their football is very, very promising and good to watch this season compared to the other seasons. I'd also like to talk about Sipho Mbule. What do you guys think about Sipho Mbule? I hear some people say he's a bad behaving player, he's misbehaving, but the guy is still young. The guy is only 27 years old and he's very skillful. I may say that now that he's a free agent, I think he can contribute to Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, he might be misbehaving. There are lots of players who are misbehaving off the pitch, but they do well on the pitch. So what do you guys think about him? Should Chiefs pursue him or look for other players somewhere else? Also about Faisal Salum, who currently plays for Azam FC in Tanzania. Well, there have been talks that Coach Nazruddin Nabi is in Tanzania and has had meetings with Faisal Salum, and now there are reports that Faisal Salum is expected to come to South Africa. He will be in Naturena. I think it has not been confirmed, so I think that the club just wants to assess him. It's normal for a club to assess a player before they sign him. So things are currently looking good between Kaizer Chiefs and Faisal Salum. We might end up signing the guy. And also about Fiston Mayela. Well, when asked about Kaizer Chiefs, previously he said he just wants to focus on the CAF final. And now that the CAF final has played and they won yesterday against Mamelodi Sundowns, I think it's time that Kaizer Chiefs go back to him and talk to him. It's promising, it's promising. Okay guys, that's all I had today for Kaizer Chiefs. Till we meet again. Khosi Nation, bye.